If your internet is slow on Windows 10 or Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy, step-by-step fixes to make your internet faster and more stable. Step 1. Restart your router and PC. First, turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. After that, restart your computer. This refreshes the connection and fixes many temporary internet issues. Step 2. Close background apps using internet. Now let's stop apps that are using your internet in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. On the Processes tab, look for apps you are not using. Click on an app, then click End Task. This helps free up internet speed. Step 3. Turn off Windows Update Sharing. Windows sometimes uses your internet to share updates with other PCs. Let's turn that off. Click the Start button. Click Settings. On the left side, click Windows Update. On the next screen, click Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Delivery Optimization. Turn off the option Allow downloads from other PCs. This can reduce hidden internet usage right away. Step 4. Update your network driver. Outdated drivers can slow down your connection. Right-click the Start button. Click Device Manager. Double-click Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet device. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If a new driver is available, Windows will install it. Step 5. Reset your network RAST option. If nothing worked, try resetting your network settings. Click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Press Reset now. Restart your PC. This fixes deeper network problems. For the fastest speed, sit closer to your router or use a LAN cable. Wired internet is always more stable than Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.